Have you tried to remove Microsoft Edge from your device, but found that the uninstall option is disabled, and discovered that the uninstallation process is not that easy? Don't worry, today I will share with you a simple and effective way to remove this browser permanently from your device, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Follow this video with me step by step to learn how to perform the process easily and safely. Hello everyone. I'm Mustafa from Valley 4 Tech's channel. In this new video, if you've tried to uninstall Microsoft Edge the traditional way and failed, you've come to the right place. Microsoft makes uninstalling Edge seem impossible. If you go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps, then search for Microsoft Edge, then click on the three dots in front of it, you'll notice that the uninstall option is disabled. So, in this video I'll show you a surefire way using a free tool called Wise Uninstaller, without the need for complicated registry edits or paid tools. But before we start, make sure that you have another browser installed on your device. Also, it is not recommended to remove Microsoft Edge because it is integrated into the system, and Windows relies on it for many processes, such as system updates. So if you are having problems with Edge, you can disable it instead of removing it completely. Let's get started. First, you will need to download the Wise Uninstaller tool. Let's start with the steps. Open your internet browser and go to the link in the video description to download the tool. Once you are on the site, click on the free download button to download the tool. The file size is very small, about 10 megabytes. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder path where you downloaded the installation file, then click on the file to install the program. Follow the instructions on the screen, and when asked to confirm the installation, click Yes. When the installation is complete, open the program directly. Now we are ready to remove Microsoft Edge. Now let's use the tool to remove Microsoft Edge. After opening the program, you will see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Search for Microsoft Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge to select it, then click on the Force Uninstall option located below the application name. A confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm the removal. Click Yes. The program will now remove the browser. The process may take a few minutes, so be patient. After the removal process is complete, you will see another window with all the remaining files associated with Microsoft Edge. Let's get rid of them. Click Select All to select all the remaining files. Then click the Remove button to remove them permanently from your device. Next, go to the Browser Extensions section. Find any extensions associated with Microsoft Edge, select them all, and click the Uninstall button to remove them. Finally, let's check the built-in apps. In the program, go to the Metro Apps section. Find Microsoft Edge in the list. Select the app, then press Uninstall to remove it completely. Now, close the application, and then restart your computer, to apply the changes we made. Now, you will notice that the Edge browser shortcut has disappeared, and if you type the word Edge in the search bar, no results will appear. And so, friends, you have completely removed Microsoft Edge from your device using the Wise Uninstaller tool. Now you can use your favorite browser without any restrictions. Or even reinstall Edge again. I will put the download link in the video description. If you liked this video, Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing for more useful explanations. Thank you for following. And if you encounter any problems during the steps, write to us in the comments and we will help you. See you in the next video.